Hello everyone and welcome back to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. Today we're going to have a look at the Fenix HT18 and we're going to do some unboxing of this. It's a long range hunting torch. It's got an output of 1500 lumens. Definitely do not look into the front of this one. This will give you an after image that will probably last you a lifetime. A range of around 1011 yards or 925 meters. That's the beam distance. It comes with red and green filter adapters, a tactical tail switch. It's IP68 rated, which basically means you can drop it in water up to about 2 meters for 30 minutes. And it comes with a 5-year free repair. So let's have a look what's in the box. So it comes with a belt holder. You can put the torch in. A lanyard. A USB to USB-C cable. Some instructions. The torch itself, you have the tactical switch at the back and the other switch on the side. One red filter and one green filter. Red filter is particularly good if you're out and you've got your night vision, and shining a big white light will probably shut your night vision down and take you a while to reaccustom to that. And you use the red filter doesn't ruin your night vision. And also this is an adapter because other than the battery that it comes with, it will actually take the 18650 lithium batteries, but they have to fit into an adapter. Okay, so we'll take off the back. Inside there's a piece of card, if you like, that's protecting the battery, so it's not been switched on inadvertently in the packaging. So if you remove that, put the back on, the torch will now switch on. It's usually this switch or this switch at the back. So switch it on at the back. This thing is extremely bright. It's very difficult to tell on video. What we will do is we'll take it outside and we'll test it in a field. I can actually feel on the brightest setting at that range, I can actually feel the heat from the front of it. Right, so the Fenix HT18, specially designed for hunting illumination, stands out with its surprisingly long distance shot of 925 meters. Different hunting environments can easily be managed when filter adapters of red and green are added. Included a large capacity, it's a 5000 USB rechargeable 21700 lithium ion battery, and as I mentioned before, it comes with the 18650 adapters, so you can use the standard batteries that you see people using all the time in vape machines. It also comes with the battery holder. It's got one Cree HP35 high LED with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. So it says in the box. Included is the 21700 lithium ion battery. It doesn't come with any 18650 batteries. It comes with red and green filter adapters offering triple coloured lighting, instant power activation with momentary tactical tail switch, simple out selection with the side switch. Now then, output is obviously varies of how long the battery is going to last, but basically if you're in the turbo mode at 1500 lumens, runtime about 1 hour and 40, high 500 lumens, output time of about 4 hours 15, medium, which is 150 lumens, 20 hours and 15 minutes, and low 30 lumens, 61 hours. It also strobes at 1500 lumens. The distance, obviously the beam distance varies depending on what mode you're in. Turbo mode 925 meters, high 570 meters, medium 300 meters, and low 160 meters. Now basically if you want that in candles, on the turbo mode it's around 214,000 candles, which is pretty good. Its weight, it weighs 220 grams, that's excluding the battery, and its size is 184 millimeters with 68 millimeters by 26 millimeters. Okay, that's the roughly the specification.